What is really going on, YouTube? It's Rebecca here. Today I'm doing my first video ever. I'm super excited. Today I'm going to be showing my everyday makeup routine. Obviously with the coronavirus I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not putting on makeup every day, but this is what I would wear if I were to go somewhere. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I do is put on my Avon Vitamin C lip conditioner. Obviously, you can tell that I love this product, right? The next thing that I'm going to do is my eyes. I use my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. This is one of my favorite eye palettes ever. I'm going to use Half Baked, and I just put it all over my eyelid. And the brushes that I'm using are also from Avon. They don't sell these anymore. It's so pretty. Look at it. I'm just putting Half Baked all over my eyelid. Half Baked is one of my favorites because I love gold. I just love gold makeup so much. I think it makes my skin look amazing. Look, I'm done. Don't gotta do nothing else.
Done.
Next, I'm going to do my crease. The one I use for my crease is Suspect. My eyes are very big, so I like to try to do some makeup looks that make them look a little bit smaller. And it doesn't really help much. Next, I'm going to go in and do my highlight. For the highlight, I use Chopper. The highlight, I do it up here. Now, normally I would really do my eyebrows first, but I have my eyebrows tinted, so there's not too much that I really need to do with my eyebrows. And then I also do my highlight on the inner corner of my eye. Just take my brush and I go towards the outer corner of my eye. Now what I did do before I started my makeup though, I had to wash my face, put my serum on, and I also put my moisturizer on. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrow a little bit. My eyebrows are weird. I've got this weird little thing here. It just, hair doesn't grow there for some reason. Don't know why. So I have my Avon eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna fill that in so you can't see where my hair doesn't grow. And this color is Brunette. Got the tails of my eyebrows filled in. Next, I'm going in with my Avon Magic Tints Tinted Moisturizer. It's hot, it's summer. I'm not going to use a real heavy foundation because I'm just going to sweat it off. The Tinted Moisturizer is great for me in the summer. It's very lightweight. This color that I'm using is light medium. So I just get a little bit on my finger and just dab it on my face. I use this just like I would a foundation. And then I'm going to take my makeup sponge. I'm going to go in and even it all out. And for a tinted moisturizer, this is the best coverage I've ever gotten from any tinted moisturizer that I've used. It makes all my redness go away. Make sure you get in all the nooks and crannies. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is Cashmere Complexion Concealer. This one is in Macaroon. I like to use a concealer that's lighter than my actual color because I like my under eyes to be bright. I have natural dark under eyes. So using a lighter concealer really helps to brighten my under eyes up. And I draw a triangle. I'm a little artist when I do my concealer. I do a triangle because I think that it helps with getting the full coverage under my eyes. I'm going to go back in with my makeup sponge and just tap it out.
Beautiful. Wow.
This concealer is great because it's kind of like a matte finish. There is a foundation in the Cashmere Complexion line, but like I said, it's way too hot for a regular foundation. Next, I'm going in with my Avon Pressed Powder Palette. This is in medium deep. And also my Avon powder brush. Now, I don't really use a whole lot of powder. The contour that I use is actually a powder. I just use this to set the makeup I've already done. Oh, got hair in my mouth. And this helps keep my face matte. It doesn't make my face shine throughout the day. So I can leave all the links for these products in the description down below. With the powder, I really focus on my forehead because, well, my T-zone. Because that's where I get the most oily at throughout the day. And normally I would also, bake my eyes, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm just looking cute for me. The next thing that I'm going to do is my contour. The contour that I use is from BH Cosmetics. It's a contour and blush palette. This is what it looks like. And this brush again is from Avon. I just love the way these look. They're so pretty. I'll leave the link for these, but there's no guarantee it's still there. So now with the contour, I go from the top of my ear here to where my eyeball ends.
Gorgeous, honey.
When you're doing your contour, it's very important to do the fish lips. Then I also go around my forehead and under my jawline. My face is very fat. Going under my jawline really helps make it look skinny. And this part makes my 5 head look smaller. My jawline, I literally just go along the line of my jawline. Contour
Is done.
Next, I do my mascara. The mascara that I use is also from Avon. This is the Love Your Lashes mascara. This is one of the best mascaras I've ever used. Makes my eyelashes look like I'm wearing fake eyelashes. Like, who doesn't want that? So, don't mind my ugly faces while I'm doing my mascara. Once I finish doing my eyelashes, I normally go back in on the inside of my eyelashes because it makes them look darker and makes the tips look thicker. And when I'm done with my top lashes, I always do my bottom lashes because I don't really wear eyeliner. So doing my bottom lashes, I think it makes my eyes just pop. Then the last thing that I do is my lips. This is the Avon Mattitude Matte Lipstick.
Honey,
This is the best, most amazing matte lipstick that I have ever used. This one is the color Ambitious. And so that wraps up my first video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment. Make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell button so you can be notified for my next upcoming videos. I will see y'all next time.